Today we will discuss how to attempt law paper. Most of the students face difficulty in writing law exam. So here is a way ahead for your problems. Today we will discuss how to present answer in law exam. So first thing you can do is to write your answers in 4 paragraphs. Make 4 paragraphs of your answer when question is of case study. First point is reference. In this point, mention the topic from which the question is given. Let's say question is given from appointment of director. Then start this point by writing the present problem has been taken from the concept of appointment of director from the Companies Act 2013. So this is the first point, reference, that from where the question is asked. Now let's move to the second point, that is statutory provision. In this point, write all the provisions of the above topic. Now topic is about appointment of director. Now just write all the provisions that appointment of director contains. Don't mention any link of the question, just write provisions, only provision. Don't mention which provision is adhered by the company and which provision is followed by the company. Just write provisions, all provisions of appointment of director, just write it. Now coming to the third point, that is fact of the case and discussion. Now in this point, just write the provision which are followed by company and which is adhered by company. Here you can discuss fact which is provided in the question and relate those provisions which you write in the above point and relate with the question. Don't mention your conclusion. Let's say question ask that in ABC company Mr. A is appointed as a board of director. Whatever be the situations, tell whether the appointment of Mr. A is valid or not. So don't write that appointment is valid or not, just mention what the question says and what the provision says. Mix those two and write in the third point, that is fact of the case and discussion. Now last point, what you have to do in the last point is just write conclusion. What the conclusion says, is appointment of Mr. A is valid or not, and write conclusion with the 3 words, that is in this case appointment of Mr. A as a director in ABC Limited is valid, full stop. That's the presentation of your answer in law exam. Now a big question comes, that writing section in law exam is necessary. So I would say it is up to you. If you know the correct section, then write it. Otherwise, if you even confuse between sections, then don't write. Leave the section portion and just write the correct provisions, correct facts and conclusion. That's it. When you write provisions and facts, then use bullets to write points. Don't make paragraphs. Use bullet to write those points. So these are some tips to write law exam.